Good morning, students. Today we will learn using mail merge topic. Okay, students, in business as well as personal matters, it is often required to send letters with similar information to different people. The letter requires the name and the address of each recipient to be printed on the top. Changing the address each time would be a very long process and a wastage of time and effort. It wastes our time and efforts. MS Word provides a useful features of mail merge to create and print multiple copies of a document, address labels and envelopes, etc. in one go. Okay. Printing letters using mail merge. Consider an example where your class teacher wants to invite the parents of her students for the parent teacher meeting. So, the teacher needs to create and send an invitation in bulk to the parents of the students. Let us see how this task becomes easy for her by using the mail merge features. Mail merge involves three basic steps: creating a main document, specifying a data source, and merging the data source with the main document. Okay, main document. The main document is the letter that we wish to send to multiple recipients. Data source. Data source consists of a mailing list. The data is organized in a tabular form along with the field names. For example, first name, last name, address, city, etc. The data source is associated with the main document so that its field names can be used in the main document and it becomes easy to merge addresses with the main document. Merged document. A merged document is created by merging the main document with the data source fields. Let us learn it with a practical demonstration. To create a main document, we need to follow some steps. Create a new document and type a letter or open an existing letter that we want to send to different people at their respective address. Click on Mailing tab. In the Start Mail Merge group, click on the Start Mail Merge drop down arrow and select the step-by-step mail merge wizard option. Okay. The mail merge task pane appears on the right side of the application window. We can see. Now select the letters radio button from the select document type and click on the next starting document. Step 1 of 6. Okay. A new task pane appears on the screen as we can see. Click on the use the current document radio button under the select starting document options. Okay. Step 2 of 6. Next, select recipients. Okay. Creating a data source. To create a new data source or address list, select the type a new list radio button under the select recipient select a section in the mail merge task pane and click on create button. Okay. Type a new list, click on create button. The new address list dialog box appears on the screen. We can see. Okay. On the customize column button to add or remove fields. Now on removing fields means it is a demo, so I am taking here only 4 fields: name, address, city. Okay. Enter data in the respective fields and click on the new entry after selecting the field names. Last name, I will remove last name. Okay, then remove address also. Okay, now enter first record here. Field name, name, recipient's name, then address, then city, then state. Enter data in the respective fields and click on the new entry button located at the bottom left of the dialog box, as we can see. Okay, enter the records of the peoples to whom we want to send the letters. Here I am entering some students record. Name, address, city and state. Third student address Amit, address, the house number and red light locality, then city Panipat, state Haryana. Insert another student's record. Jagdeep, house number and locality Amar Bhavan Chowk, city Panipat and state Haryana. Then click on OK button. Okay, we'll get the save address list dialog box. Means specify a name in the file name text box and click on the save button. Address file, I give a name address file and I save my file on the desktop. Here I saved file on the desktop, address file. The mail merge recipient dialog box, which displays the details of all the records added by us, will appear. Okay, now click on the edit button located below the data source. Through the edit buttons we can make the changement in the data source. Okay, then if we don't want to send the letters at a particular address, then click on OK button. Click on next, write your letter. Now insert address block. We need to insert here address block. Means first of all, place the cursor at the position where we want to insert the address block. Click on the address block option, write your letter and under the write your letter options and insert address block dialog box, as we can see, and select any desired format. Okay, and click on OK. We can see the preview. Okay, and now to insert the salutations in our document, we can click on the greeting lines options below the address block options in the write your letter section, like dear sir or ma'am. Okay, we can see in the preview. Then click on OK. Similarly, we can use other options such as electronic postage or more items. Then viewing the merged data, we can now preview our letters with the merged address block by following steps. Click on preview your letter and one by one we can see all the records. We can preview all the records. Printing the merged letter, we can now take the printout of our letter with the merged address block from the data source. In order to print the letters, we need to follow some steps. Click on next button, complete the mail merge under the step 5 of 6 section in the task pane, and then click on the print options under the merged section. The merge to printer dialog box will appear. Select all radio buttons and click on OK. The print dialog box will appear. Define the print setting and click on OK. The selected letters will be printed. Here printer is not attached with it. Okay students. Printing labels. After printing your letters, we may wish to post them. For this, we need to either write the addresses on the envelope or print the labels for individual address. This is a time-taking task. The mail merge features can help us here also in printing multiple address labels on a single sheet. Creating main document or labels. To create a main document for address labels, open a new document in the MS Word application. Click on the mailing tabs. Okay. In the start mail merge group, click on the start mail merge drop down arrow and select step by step mail merge wizard. The mail merge task pane appears on the right hand side, as we can see. Select labels radio button from the select document type section. Click on next starting document wizard under the step 1 of 6. Okay. A new task pane will be shown. Change document layout radio button. Click on label option from the change document layout option in the taskbar. Okay. Select the required printer information, label information and product number from the corresponding sections in the label options dialog box. Means एक शीट पर हमारे 2 एड्रेसेस आए, 4 आए. ओके 30 पर पेज, एक पेज पर 30 एड्रेसेस आए. वी कैन select. Now move to the next step by clicking on next. Select recipient under the step 2 of 6 section. Okay. Another task pane appears showing option for selecting the recipient list. Selecting the data source. Select the use an existing list radio button from the select recipient section. To select an existing list, click on the browse button under the section use an existing list. Okay. Locate the same address list that we created while printing the letters. Click on open. अभी जो हमने लिस्ट बनाई थी एड्रेस फाइल, वही वाली फाइल हम यहाँ सेलेक्ट करेंगे. द एड्रेस लिस्ट इन द मेल मर्ज रेसिपेंट डायलॉग बॉक्स ओपन. The tick marks are placed in front of the data source field by default, which means that these records are selected. If we don't wish to include any particular address, then we can deselect it by clicking on the respective checkbox and click on OK. We can observe that next record gets displayed in all the label blocks in the main document except the first one. We can see. Click on OK button. Inserting address block. To insert the address block, place the cursor at the position where we want to insert the address block. Okay. Click on the address block option at the arrange your label option. The insert address block on dialog box appears. Select any desired format in which you want to insert the address block. We can preview the format in the preview section of the dialog box. Arrange your labels. Okay. Address block. We can select any format from here. Similarly, we can use other options such as greeting line, electronic postage and more items in the arrange your labels section. Observe that the selected address block appears in our document horizontally. We can use separate bar key and enter key to separate next record and address block. Now click on update all labels. When we click on update all labels, we can see all the addresses in the sheet. Okay. Then to take a preview, we need to click on preview your labels. Okay. Preview. When we click on preview, we can see the inserted data source is available here in this format. Got it, students? Here I inserted only 4 record. We can see 4 record. अगर मैं 30 रिकॉर्ड लेती, जैसे मैंने लिया था पर शीट 30 रिकॉर्ड, तो मेरे 30 आ जाते. टू टेक प्रिंट आउट, देन क्लिक ऑन प्रिंट. ऑल का लेना है, सभी का करंट लेना है, या फिर रेंज हमने देनी है फ्रॉम टू. गॉट इट students? We have completed this chapter, mail merged labels. Thank you.